Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to get API key here on Stripe. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Stripe, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just to follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Getting your API key here in Stripe is a straightforward process. Once you logged into your account using your credentials, you're just gonna need to click the home button here. Because if you do, you would be able to see the developers option in the right sidebar. This one. And then as you can see, this is gonna be the API keys. Alright, so you'll see your publisher key or the publishable key and secret key under the API key section. Okay, so the publishable key is meant for the front-end interactions, while the secret key is used for back-end transactions. All you're gonna do is copy that, and as you can see, these API keys work in test mode, but you'll need to add your business details to view the keys and start accepting payments. Alright. When you click on the view documents here, as you can see, if you wanted to get more of the information for your payments and the APIs, you might want to do so. Otherwise, just go back again on the APIs right here. All right. And then hover back to the home page. Now, the API keys are very important if you're offering subscription-based services because you can use the Stripe's API to create, manage, and automate recurring billing for customers. Since the Stripe's API key is necessary for securely handling sensitive information such as credit card details without storing or managing these details on your server. Now, if you encounter any problems getting your API keys on your Stripe account, the thing that I could suggest to you is simply go to the Stripe's contact center, and these are going to be the channels for sales, help and support, and media and press. Click the get support, and from here type in your questions to see if you get an answer. If you get a hold of one of the customer support staff, tell them you are having problems getting your API keys on your Stripe account, and they would give you insights and troubleshooting steps on how to fix this issue. Alright, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.